Hey guys, so I was able to go do some fishing this weekend. I had a really amazing time. Got out with a buddy, took the kayak out for the first time, and we were both able to catch some fish. I was able to catch some fish on the kayak. It was amazing weather, so overall great weekend. Like I said, I was very fortunate to get out there this weekend and catch some different fish. My buddy ended up catching a perch, so that was always cool. I didn't even know they were around here in these ponds. Um, Stay tuned and we'll see what happens.
There's a dog behind you. Hey,
It's his dog.
You're telling me.
Alright guys, pulling up to another spot. I know there's some timber that's laying down over here. So, let's throw the Ned rig. Oh, we got one. Alright. Nice bass. They're on the Ned rig. There we go, nice bass. Dang, that's a good size. Oh, yep, that's a big bass. All right. Woo. All right. It's one of the bigger ones I've caught this year. All right, barely got him. Oh man, didn't even hit the ground.
Alright. He's looking for something out there. Barely even hit the water. Big bite when it happens. Oh, that's not a big one, but he took it. He's a good size. He's waiting in that grass. Algae, whatever. Alright, on the whopper plopper. Got a big bite coming in. Right about here. Just past the weeds. Yep. Not a big one, but he was. Figured there was something sitting there.
Nice little guy. Out of nowhere.
Alright guys, on the hidden spot.